Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. For the university students, I make a very simple and easy lecture for the lab safety. All the students carefully listen these instructions, starting with the lab safety. Always wear the safety goggles in the lab. Eyeglasses and sun goggles are not adequate substitutes. Remember this thing, very important. Always wear safety goggles in the lab. Chemical burns of the eye. You may see this is the eye which burned by the chemical. A chemical burn of the eye can be prevented by wearing the goggles. Long hair must be tied back. No backpacks or purses at the lab. Know the location of the following things: eye wash, fire blanket, fire extinguishers. No horse play at lab. Be careful. Never perform unauthorized experiments. Be careful. It is a very important things. You must remember. Only for the university students. Never perform unauthorized experiment at lab. This is the very important thing for you. No food or drink in the lab. You are not allowed to take any for drinking and eating purpose anything at the lab. Never remove chemical or equipment from the lab. Never use the chemical from an unlabeled container. You don't know what kind of the thing is present in it. So be careful. Heating the test tube. Never point the mouth of the test tube or aluminum flask at yourself or another person. Always direct the mouth away from the people. This is the wrong way and this is the right way. Be careful. Never heat a closed container. Never heat a closed container. First you remove this closeness. The increase the pressure in the container can cause the content to spray out the top or the container shatters, spreading shards of the glass. Keep flammable substance away from the heat sources. You must some chemicals are inflammable and they capture the heat, capture the fire. So be careful. Keep flammable substance away from heat sources. Clean up all spills immediately. Never return spoiled or unused material to the reagent bottles. Solid should be swept up and placed in the waste disposal container for that lab. Small liquid spills should be diluted with the lots of the water and mopped up with a cloth towel. Large spills must be handled by the instructor. Begin first aid immediately. If any irritability you are thinking, you must wash the eye. Alert the instructor. If the chemicals have come in contact with the eye, begin eye wash now. Remove the cloths that have chemical contaminated. Move everyone away from the area to avoid the further contamination. Report all injury to your instructor immediately. And that's a very important lecture you must remember, and it helps you in the lab at